How's the weather?
It's raining.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can.
Are you full?
Yes, I am.
Do you like milk?
No, I don't.
Is this your bike?
Yes, it's mine.
Do you like cheese?
No, I don't.
Who is she?
She is Lucy.
Do you like this coat?
No, I don't.
Where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Where's my box?
It's on the table.